Welcome to Bluff City Concrete, your local Memphis experts. We handle projects big and small. Need new driveways or robust barriers? We've got you covered. We pour with precision and care. Every job is built to last. Our experienced team works quickly and efficiently. We deliver clean results on time and within budget. You'll see our work all over Memphis and the Southeast. We bring visions to life for homeowners and business owners. From start to finish, we promise quality and integrity. That's why our customers keep coming back. If you want concrete done right, choose Bluff City Concrete. Call us today for your free quote. Start your project the right way. Bluff City Concrete. Telephone receiver emoji, 901-567-9261, Meridian Globe emoji, BluffCityConcreteHelp.com, bell emoji. Subscribe for more project highlights and concrete tips.